That was a good
Definitely
one.
likes it, yeah.
No, I didn't make it so much in. There you go.
Her tornado curl is pretty perfect right now.
Yeah, thought I'd fix it. It was pretty bad.
Keep shoving it in. Hi, Sophia. I'm busy. Busy.
Takes a lot of thought to eat. That's a good one.